in as much as we went to the show, people keep coming and saying, oh, I voted for you. You voted for us to win, not for us to get married. All right? I don't bring my personal life to the social media. Yes, everything was good and everything is good. Kachi's not my enemy. He remains my friend. In as much as we're not together, we're not enemies. We're good. Tomorrow if he gets married, I would go and I would dance and be happy for him. Okay? Now, that's 2. Roxy is our brand together. Our brand together. Alright? We're not together. Rosebuds is my brand that I'm now building. Alright? So I'm not asking you to be a rosebud. Please, it's not like a forceful thing or anything. Please. You can support me as you are. Please, I'm begging you. I don't like all this banter and everything. Please. Alright? This is my life. You're not going to stay in the house with me. Besides, where were you guys all along when we were, when we were going up and down, stressing ourselves and all that? Because people move on. When BBN started, everybody moved on. I heard lots of things, but I kept quiet. Alright? You're not staying in my house. You're not going to stay in my house. You're not going to live with me. So I'm not going to please you people, to make you people happy, to displease myself. I'm not going to put you first to displease myself. So please stop it. If you're a mother and you have a daughter, speak like one. Will you people stop all this? Who made you a god over my life? For crying out loud, you guys voted and I'm grateful. For how long will I be saying thank you?